Hi, hello, namaskar to everyone. Myself Suman speaking for Krishna Pulse Hyderabad. Welcome to all the viewers who are already watching our live program and requesting rest of them also. Please join with us as early as possible. Our company started in 1983, so we have around 38 years of experience in this jewelry and pearl industry. Our company's main motto is customer satisfaction rather than earning profits. We believe customer is our God. Our company meaning is quality, trust, customer services and reasonable pricing. So today I bring in front of you a beautiful jewelry collections of chains and earrings. First we will see the overview once, then we will explain each and every product clearly. This is the beautiful choker with red and green stones and one more kakamoti neck piece, very beautiful waltz tiniest pearls. One more grand piece with Nakshi balls and South Sea big size pearls. So one more beautiful piece with long pendant and hanging with milky white 3 rose pearls. So a beautiful earring with green, very hot cake in our stores. This is Chandbali type, very beautiful piece. So one more small Chandbali like stud plus hanging with milky white pearls, very beautiful piece. So one more grand piece with red color rubies, uncut rubies and South Sea pearls, very functional wear piece. So one of our company's main design is this kakamoti set with beautiful red and green stones with world's tiniest kakamoti pearls. So one more small hanging. This is the present trend going right now in the market with big studs and hanging with multicolor stones. So before knowing each and every product clearly, first we will see our brand name and our address. So our brand name is Krishna Pulse. It is located near Jubilee Hills Road number 36, just 100 meters away from the Jubilee Hills checkpost. On the way to Peddamma Temple, when we come from the High Tech City area, just opposite to the Beyond Coffee store. And this is Peacock is our logo, company's logo. Please see, this is in brown color. This is our logo. Before entering the store, please see this logo. So we have video call shopping facilities also available. For that number is 9248036721. Once again I am repeating 9248036721. If you want to any queries or questions or want to see the related designs, please WhatsApp to this number. Then our team will explain each and every product clearly. So we have international shipping facilities also available, that too free, all over world free, almost total major countries we have free shipping is there. If it is in India, we are not charge a single rupee also, total free delivery we will provide, and if it is local, our person personally comes to your house and deliver the product. Or otherwise, if you want to directly purchase from our website, then our website address is www.krishnapulse.com. Once again I am repeating www.krishnapulse.com. You will get the plenty of collections in this pulse with gold combination, pulse with silver combination. You will get the 2-3 photos and videos also. You can easily see the products very clearly. So we will explain each and every product clearly. Today first special piece is neck choker type and necklace length also you can use. This is kakamoti pearls. On that gold is there. On that we are giving the enamel, pink enamel. Generally we will see the red and green enamel or blue, but we are using is the baby pink enamel. It's very rare piece. Total gold, in this gold is higher end only, but this pulse also very beautiful piece. We are not stick the pulse, we will stitch the pulse. And back side we are provided the dory, so it is easily to use according to the neck length. Address code, 1 second. See, beautiful. If you want to provide the chain backside also, we will provide the chain, but that is goes to higher end, because backside is anyhow hair is present, so not useful to put the gold at the backside. It's a beautiful piece. This is designed by our designers and made in our work unit. Totally studded in purely 22 carats gold with a hallmark we are provided. One see, beautiful pink color, baby pink, and that flowers also we are provided. See the clarity of the pulse, world's tiniest pulse. These are called as, here locally we call as Kakamoti pulse. I will show the back side also how it is stitched. You can see back side also. Total we are provided the stitching. So total gold is there, hallmark is also provided. So we will see the weights and prices of this chain. This gross weight is 33.7 grams including pearls, enamel and gold, 33.720 grams, and net weight is 30.7 grams. So huge gold is there in this, pearls are less in this, only 15 carats is the pulse is there, and price is little bit higher end only because gold is more in that, 2,08,000. Namaste Kavita madam, thank you for watching our online program ma'am. This is price is 2,08,000 ma'am. 33 grams gross weight and 30 grams is the net weight ma'am. Pulse are around 15 carats. Kakamoti pulse these are called as, with baby pink enamel. If you want to customize in this other enamel, if you want also we will do. If you want any changes also we will made and give you. So the next grand and beautiful chain is this South Sea with Nakshi balls chain. This is also graduation, smaller to bigger, little bit graduation type. See the clarity of the balls, Nakshi balls. On the Nakshi balls also we are provided the peacocks. Beautiful, the very big size South Sea pulse, and this is also not round one, little bit oval shape pulse, and back side we are provided the chain hook type. If you put the dory, then it is useful for both gents and ladies, unisex it is useful. For sherwanis and dhoti functions, all looks very beautiful. Once we will see closely. Starts with we are given the little bit antique finish here, and the pulse are in little bit champagne color. All of you know that this South Sea pulse comes from the Southern Ocean near Antarctica. Very rare to get each pulse. It takes 12 to 15 years to form. Very difficult to get this much big size. Totally started in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark. This is designed by our designers and made in our own manufacturing unit. We have very skilled labor we have. If anybody missed by watching our live program, then our program is saved in IGTV. Please watch from that. Or then again we are posting the YouTube and Facebook also. You can see from there also. If anybody likes, take the snapshot and send to our WhatsApp number. We will see the weights and prices of this one. This gross weight is 84 grams including South Sea pulse and Nakshi balls. 84 grams is the gross weight, and net weight is around 39 grams. 39 grams, a huge weight is there in this, and this price is higher end only because beautiful piece this one, 3,30,000. Around 3,30,000 you will get a beautiful chain which is useful for both ladies and gents. So next, one more beautiful with simple and beautiful pieces with 3 rows milky white pulse. Inside is nylon silk thread, very strong thread we use 2-3 rows in this, and beautiful pendant with red color big jade is there. On that also engravation, we have done the engravation, and here with CJets. See the clarity of the design with CJets, looks like polki only. Here a big hanging we are provided with green cut stones and green onyx stones uncut. We will see once. You can use this as a choker length if you want to decrease the length of the pulse, or you can use it as a necklace. If you use the dory more, then you can use just like a harem also. This is just like long harem also you can use. You can see the clarity of the pulse, milky white pulse. Very beautiful piece. Inside total nylon silk thread. If you want any changes, small changes, our workers will do in front of you only. If you want 5 rows or 2 rows only, small pulse you want to add here, in between stones if you want, that is possible in front of you only. Within half an hour to 1 hour, our workers, our experienced workers, college patwas, they will do and give you. Beautiful pendant. See the green stone, clarity of the green stone, uncut on that design we are provided. In this very lightweight we are used, but done the designing very beautiful. This is called as ultra light jewelry. with small jhumka type hanging we are provided. At the end we are provided the green uncut onyx stones. It gives the very glitters. You will get the, if you want, you will get the matching earrings also. See, exact matching for the see Chandbalis. These are Chandbali design, but very beautiful design by of our designers with green onyx stones and milky white pearls. CJs are just looking like polkis only. This is made in Mumbai screw. On your request, we will do in Chennai screw or pushing type. See how beautiful. In this, you will get the pink color also. Upside stud type we are given, and in that here broad Chand type, Chandbali, that's why we call it, studded in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark. On earrings, hallmark will be present on both the pieces. So first we will see the weights and prices of the chain, then we will see the earrings weights and prices. In the chain, around 100 grams is the gross weight, including pearls, green stones and gold, and net weight is only 14 grams. Only 14 grams is the net weight. Price is also very reasonable, just 1,34,000. 1,34,000. If anybody interested, please immediately take the snapshot and send to our WhatsApp number. Only one piece is available in this design. So 1,34,000 is very reasonable one. And we will see the earrings weights and prices. On earrings, gross weight is around 28.6 grams. Only 28.6 grams is the gross weight, and net weight is 11 grams. 11 grams is the net weight gold. And price is very good piece, around 93,000. In this you will get plenty of designs. Still more long one we have, still more small one we have. In this you will get the pink one also. This is green, you will get the pink one also. And 93,000, very beautiful piece.
Height.
Height. This is around 2 inches. 2 inches is the height. If you want more, around 3 inches height one also we have. A little bit shorter also we have. Because all is not possible to show in one program. So if you individually do the WhatsApp, then our team will show different designs in this. So next, one more beautiful grand piece is the South Sea with uncut rubies. See the clarity of the ruby and the clarity of the South Sea. Very tiny inclusions are there. For the South Sea pearls, we are provided the caps with Nakshi design antique finish. So total gold, if you provide the dory, you can increase the length. Beautiful Nakshi design with antique design caps we are provided. See the stones are also uneven shape, so it gives the natural look. Purely studded in 22 carats gold. This is also designed by our designers and made in our work unit. We will see the weights and prices of this chain. So this is gross weight is 76 grams and net weight is 14.5 grams. Only 14.5 grams only net weight on 76 grams. And price is higher end only because due to ruby quality and South Sea pearls quality, 2,62,000. So 2,62,000 higher end only, but functional wear this one. It is useful for both ladies and gents. For our kids also it looks very beautiful on dhoti functions.
Anusha madam.
Namaste Anusha madam. Thank you for watching our live program. Price. This price is around 2,62,000 ma'am. Don't think this is the final price ma'am. We will do the very best deal.
Gold how much?
In this gold is 14.5 grams ma'am. 14.5 grams is the net weight gold. Gross weight is 76.3 grams. Beautiful piece ma'am. Total gold, no nylon silk thread inside. Total from starting to ending gold only. Totally 22 carats gold. We have provided the antique caps. You will get the matching earrings also. Simple small Chandbali with studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark will be present on 2 pieces. This is also made in our work unit, designed by our designers. Made in Mumbai screw. If you want, we will made in Chennai screw or pushing also. Upper side is stud with red color stone in between and CJets.
Bhavani madam, can you show in lesser price?
నమస్తే భవానీ గారండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి మా ఆన్లైన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూస్తున్నందుకు. మేడం ఇంకా లెస్సర్ వెయిటీ ఉన్నాయి మేడం, కానీ మీరు ఇండివిజువల్లీ మా నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి అండి. మా టీం రెడీగా ఉన్నారు, మీకు అన్నీ చూపిస్తారండి బాగా. ఇంకా లెస్ ప్రైస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి అనమాట, అరౌండ్ 20,000 30,000లో కూడా ఉన్నాయి చాంద్బాలిలో. ప్లీజ్ మీరు ఇండివిజువల్ వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. ఇన్ దిస్ గ్రాస్ వెయిట్ ఈజ్ 24 grams, అరౌండ్ 24 grams is the gross weight and net weight is around 8.6 grams. 8.6 grams is the net weight and the price is very reasonable, just 77,000. 77,000 is the price.
Which means the necklace, I mean, you can show it any logos. You can show this also then.
For that matching.
No, she means anything with logos, not just
Okay. So on 76,000, very beautiful piece. So one more beautiful Kakamoti necklace with a small hanging is there. Ruby beads and emerald beads we are used with tiniest milky white pearls. This is our company's own design. Only few workers are designed these pieces and made this work is very difficult work. See how beautiful is there. This is called as Kakamoti pearls, done by the valuable Bengali workers will do this one. Total stitching is there. Very difficult to do the hole at the middle part of this tiniest pearls and stitch with the gold. Made in 22 carats gold with hallmark is also there. Beautiful piece, total functional wear. It looks very beautiful for our. Just see, wonderful piece this one. Little bit flexible is less in this. Because total on the gold frame we are done with pearls stitching. Here we are using the green enamel and the red color stones and the red color drops, uncut drops and pearls. For all them we are provided the caps also. Back side we are provided the dory. If you want, we will provide the chain also. And we will see the weights and prices of this one. Gross weight is 50 grams and net weight is 37.7 grams and price is 2,92,000. 2,92,000 you will get a beautiful wonderful piece. So if anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team immediately, because in this design only one piece is there. Other designs we have, but in this pattern only one piece is available. If you place the order also, it takes around 1 month time. So if anybody likes and if anybody have plannings, because festival season is there, Christmas, New Year and Sankranti, so please approach our team immediately. So one more beautiful choker or necklace also with red color stones and green color stones and milky white pearls. We are provided the caps also, purely studded in 22 carats gold, designed by our designers and made in our work unit. Back side we are provided the dory. See, beautiful format. This is newly pattern. It will be difficult design, but we are made this one in very lightweight. Only links are there, very lightweight in this. See the clarity of the red and green color stones and pearls also very less inclusions. We will see the weights and prices of this. Very reasonable price. This is just 1,13,000 is the price. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team immediately. And this is also not final price. We will do the very best. What is the possible? We will do the very best. At the end, we will add 3% GST. This gross weight is 40 grams, net weight is 14 grams, and price is 1,13,000. So I am requesting all of them. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team immediately. Only one piece is there in this lightweight. This is called as ultra lightweight jewelry. We will get the matching earrings also. I will show you. See, beautiful jhumkas with broad Mahanati type studs with red and green color, stones and with white CJets. This is also made in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark. We are provided on 2 pieces. Made in Mumbai screw. On your request, we will do in Chennai screw or pushing also. In this, different patterns are available. Less weight and more higher end also we have. Beautiful piece this one. In less weight, it is looking very, very grand piece. When we see, it looks like around 5 lakhs worth piece. But this price is below 1 lakh only, just 98,000 is the price, tag price, and gross weight is 24 grams and net weight is 13 grams. So on below 1 lakh, you are getting a very, very beautiful and wonderful piece, grand piece. When anybody wears it, is totally looks grand piece. So all are hoping you like today's designs, patterns. So if anybody wants, please take the snapshot and approach our team immediately. And one more thing I will tell, we have 2 EMI schemes. Just like EMI schemes, we have 2 gold schemes. One is you need to pay around 11 months, and 12th month we will give the bonus, and we will give special discount for them also on all of the items. And second one is you need to invest as a investment. Because for example, if you have present at 10,000, you will invest in gold. You can purchase the gold in 10,000, or then next month if you have 20,000 or 5,000, you can buy like that. So that is other scheme. If you want total total details of the schemes, please WhatsApp our numbers. Our team will send the clear clarity of the schemes. So we have around 4 branches are there. Our first store is in near Charminar. Very beautiful antique shop that one is. Loose pulse also you will get there. And second more, one of the royal and beautiful store is present in Hotel Taj Krishna, H level, Banjara Hills Road number 1. Very, very beautiful store. If anybody has time, please visit our store. So 2 more stores are available in Hotel Novotel and beside Hyderabad International Convention Center. You will get the very fast moving items there. So next store is, all of you know, that Jubilee Hills. That is very, very iconic store of our company. Grand store. In the ground floor you will get the good diamond collections and polki collections and plain gold collections and stone collections. For especially the ground floor is meant for the marriage occasions. Second floor you will get the plenty of pearl collections with the combination of gold and silver. You will get the Basra pearls, South Sea pearls, Akai pearls, Mikimoto pearls, freshwater pearls, KC pearls, all types of pearls you will get there. It is very, very big store. And from last year onwards, we have newly started the silver house, House of Silver, in the second floor itself. We will take the order from small item to very big item also. We have very different concept of items are available, wall clock, dining table, like that crockery items and all types of ideals we have. Puja items also will be available. All are made in pure silver, 92.5% silver. So hoping you like today's episode. Once again, I am telling our number 92480-36721. 92480-36721. Please approach our team immediately. Our team is ready. So hoping you like today's episode. Thanking you very much. Bye bye. Soon you on Sunday. Dhanyavad.